Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial on the Canon Speedlite 580 EX2. This afternoon we'll go through the backyard and we'll take a bunch of pictures. We hope to show you guys how to use the Canon Speedlite. So how to navigate through the menu, how to set this unit as a slave, and also how to use the fully manual function on it, and also use the ETTL automatic with a Canon 7D. So we just want to say first that we really do appreciate the Canon Speedlite 580 EX2. It's versatile, it's compact, it's very powerful. We don't necessarily travel with a lot of gear once we go out in a kayak or backpacking and so on, so we really like to have a powerful and very nice unit like this one. So if you guys stay with us, we're just gonna go wander around and see what we can find, and then we'll start talking about different topics. Okay, been through the backyard and I found a bunch of insects on a leaf here. So those bugs are just waiting to be photographed. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be taking a macro shot. If you're wondering why my lens was inverted into my body here, I'm using a macro ring. So it's a cheap and dirty trick. I made a video about it, you can check it out. It's about $2 and you can take great macro shot with whatever lens you're using just by inverting your lens. I will also be using half cloud fungarifoam. So this is a light diffuser. So what that do is when the light comes out, it can diffuse all over the place. So it softens the light, it's not as hard, and that way I can illuminate my subject a little better. Now, what we're gonna do is leave the flash on the ETTL mode and leave the zoom automatic. I will be setting my camera here at an ISO of 250th of a second, and as my lens is inverted I can't change my f-stop as is, right? So the information doesn't get there. So if you guys want a good lens for the macro, you can get one that actually you can change old school, you can change the f-stop like on the lens. That's probably the way to go. I don't have that right now, so I don't have the information, so I'm kind of working in the dark here. So what I'll be doing is taking the cap off, set up for the shot. I'll be taking a shot first without the lights, just to give you an idea what it looked like. It looked pretty dark. You probably won't be able to see anything, so I'll get a little closer here, about like that. Yeah, sure enough, you can see just a glimpse of light in there. Now I'm going to turn the flash on. With the ETTL mode, I'll be able to get a quick, good shot. Easy going, good amount of light. So now, if you take a look and you see you're overexposed, underexposed, what you can do is you can go to the top of the camera here. There's a button, there's ISO, and there's a flash and a bracket menu. So if you press on this, then on your lens, on your screen here, it'll start, and you'll be able to change that bracket. So you can go -1, 2, 3 stop, or +1, 2, 3 stop. So just to make a point here, I'll be taking picture. Let's try 2 stop down, normal, and 2 stop up, just to see what it looked like. So I'll start with 2 stop down. So once again, that just changed the amount of light coming out from the stop. Does not change the actual shot from the camera. So now I'm gonna go normal at 0, and I will go at +2. So we'll take a look later. You'll see one is like underexposed, and one is overexposed, and the other one is in the middle. It's kind of good. So this is roughly how to take easy shot with the ETTL mode. See, that was a no-brainer. I just been out there, point the camera. Now you can change the angle of your flash by pressing the button here, so you can actually go up to 9 degrees down to 180 degree right or left. So this have a lot of potential and a lot of movement. Go out there, try a different angle, move your flash a little bit. So if I can go like this side, I can put the flash this way, change the angle, and then can take a picture. Sometimes give you different result, interesting, bad, good. The more shot you take, normally you can have a better chance to have one decent or great shot out of it. So what we'll do next is we'll go out and we'll set up this flash as a slave unit. So you guys can just put your flash somewhere, set up somewhere else, and bring the light from the back, whatever it is. So we're just going to change the setup a little bit and we'll come back.